Hello, I am Vijay Apte from Empower Tutorials. Today we are going to consider 10th standard and 9th standard trigonometry, some basic concepts, and then in next class some higher trigonometric identities that I will solve. So trigonometry consisted of 6 trigonometric ratios. First is sine theta, then second is cos theta, then tan theta, then sec theta and cosec theta and cot theta. For 9th and 10th standard, trigonometry is applicable only limited up till for a right angle triangle. So I will draw one right angle triangle naming ABC. Let angle C measures theta. The sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Then cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side. Then sec theta is a reverse ratio of cos theta. So we can write it as hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Cosec theta is a reverse ratio for sin theta. So that would be hypotenuse upon opposite side. And cot theta is a reverse ratio for tan. So it will be adjacent side upon opposite side. So clearly opposite side to angle C will be AB. This is your hypotenuse and this will be adjacent side. So opposite side will be AB upon AC. Adjacent side will be BC upon AC. Then opposite upon adjacent will be AB upon BC. Then sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. That would be AC upon BC. Cosec theta is hypotenuse upon opposite side. That would be AC upon AB. And cot theta will be adjacent side upon opposite side. That would be BC upon AB. So this is the most important basic thing that you must know. Now in 9th standard, we have to go through with certain standard angle values for these trigonometric functions. So I will write down those standard angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These standard values you will be requiring in heights and distances in 10th standard, and in 9th standard there will be some exercises to solve the problems on these standard angles. So I will write down here all trigonometric ratios starting with sine, then cos, tan, sec, cosec and cot. The smartest way is that you write down here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, divide by 4 and take the square root of this. So clearly you can cut off this 2 with this and this 4 with this. So you will get sine 0 is equal to 0. Sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Sine 45 1 upon root 2. Sine 60 root 3 upon 2. Sine 90 1. To find the values of cos, you reverse that order. That means that 1 will come here, Root 3 by 2 will come here. 1 by root 2 will remain as it is. 1 by 2 and 0. Now tan is the division of sine and cos. So we have to divide these two ratios. 0 upon anything is 0. 1 upon this answer will be 1 over root 3. This will be 1 root 3 and this will be 1 upon 0 which is not defined. Again, sec is the reverse ratio of cos. So you have to take the reciprocals of all these numbers. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 2 is 2. And the reciprocal of 0 is not defined. So you have to write ND. Then cosec is the reverse ratio of sine. Reciprocal of 0 will be not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 will be 2. It will be root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. And cot, we have to take the reciprocal values of tan. So again it will be not defined. Root 3, 1 upon root 3 and reciprocal of not defined will be 0. I hope that this basics you students must have understood. Then we will consider some basic trigonometric identities. So up till 10th standard you have to learn these identities, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. It can be also written as 1 upon cot theta. Then sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. These identities are very crucial for solving problems in 10th ICSE. And in 9th ICSE we are going to consider some another identities of complementary angles. Now you must be knowing what are the complementary angles. If sum of two angles is 90, then the angles are said to be complementary. So in right angle triangle, if I mark this angle as theta, this is 90, this angle will become 90 minus theta. So sin theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta, or cos theta can be written as sin of 90 minus theta. Similarly, we can write sec theta as cosec of 90 minus theta, or cosec theta is equal to sec of 90 minus theta. Then we can write tan theta as cot of 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. So these are the basic things that before starting trigonometry you must learn. You have to write that table minimum 3-4 times. Then the topic trigonometry will become very easy for you people.